while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the African princess, the Melanin Barbie. Dumebi. It's so good to be back, you guys, because I took a long break off YouTube. For those of you who don't know, who didn't catch up on my first video that I dropped earlier this year, I'm going to leave a link up there. That whole video explained why I was MIA, and it was basically a skincare battle. I had the worst acne breakout of my life, so I basically took a whole break from filming makeup tutorials, and I'm going to link the video up there. You guys check it out. If you've ever battled with acne, or if you're currently having acne, you should watch that video. I'm sure you'll learn one or two, or basically, yeah, you're going to enjoy that video. Check it out and then come back and watch this one. So now that my skin is way better, I've gone right back into filming makeup tutorials. You guys know that makeup is my first love, so I'm here for you. I didn't quit, okay? So I thought I should start this year's makeup look with a bang. I thought I should do the whole Euphoria inspired makeup look. I heard about this show a while back, and then I went online. I basically went on YouTube and I searched out like Euphoria inspired makeup look, and I didn't really see a lot of dark skin people tutorials on dark skin people. Maybe they are, but when I checked, I didn't really see. So I was like, okay, this is a nice idea. Moreover, I like the concept, you know, glitter, sparkle, studs. I feel like I'm like an ice princess right now. Like, I hope you guys are liking this. Anyway, I know if you didn't like it, you wouldn't have clicked on the video anyway. So without talking too much, let's just get right into the video.
So guys, we're switching over to voiceover because I had to turn on my fan while filming, and it would have been too noisy if I was doing a talk through. Lagos is so hot. Like, it was Harmattan earlier this year, but the Harmattan just disappeared, and it's like all the heat from the pits of hell just came into Lagos state. So I primed my face using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. This primer kind of reminds me of the Pond's primer, which is like one of my favorites, go-to primer. And then I am applying my foundation, which is by Juvia's Place. This is the shade Angular 140. Can you guys see how beautiful this foundation is on me? And it's my exact skin shade. Like, what foundation? Like, it looks like skin. So now for concealer, you guys, well, this is actually my first time taking note of the name of this concealer, because I just went and picked it up at a random store. I wasn't looking at the brand name. I just wanted something affordable. I think I got each of them for about 1,000 naira each. So this concealer is actually by a brand called Camara Cosmetics. The lighter shade is 02 Warm Nude, and the darker shade is called 06 Rich Toast. So I just applied them, and then I'm just highlighting my face. So I'm going to be contouring my face using I Am Magic concealer by Juvia. This is the shade 2. So this is the second darkest shade that they have in that collection. You guys, this concealer, a little goes a long way. It is very creamy, easily blendable. You don't have to use so much of it. So now I'm doing what a lot of people have been doing recently, because I noticed a lot of people are doing cream blush right now. So what I'm using is it's lip oil by Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, another Nigerian brand. So it doesn't really feel like a gloss, it feels like an oil, because you know glosses always have this sticky feel. So anyway, I just blended that in, and then I applied the darker shade of concealer at the meeting point at the edge of the blush, so that it blends right into the highlighted area under my eyes seamlessly without any harsh lines. And yeah, I'm setting my face using my Laura Mercier setting powder. You guys, the beauty sponge that I'm using is by a Nigerian brand called Blossom Makeup. So whenever you do your face first, don't forget to apply that setting powder over your eyebrows, so that your pencil can glide on easily when you're filling in your brows. So now to set my brow hairs in place and to also tint my brows, I'm using a light shade of brow mascara by Blot Cosmetics. And then for my face powder and my contour, I went into the Royal Makeup powder palette. It's so annoying that thing broke. It did not fall or anything. I really hate when makeup products just break, because they basically just get really messy, and then not to mention the waste again for that matter. So now I am setting my eyelid, and then the first shade I'm going to use, which is the base shade of eyeshadow, is going to be from this palette by Beyond Beauty. It has both shimmer eyeshadow and glitters as well. And then I went into my Afrique palette by Juvia's Place for that blue shade. You guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't notice that my camera had stopped filming. This is one of the perks of filming alone. I was not happy when I found out that I didn't get that part on camera. But the shade that I used inside, which is the silvery shade you guys can see, is a pigment, and it's a duochrome, meaning that, depending on when the light hits it, it looks kind of silver, sometimes it looks kind of greenish. It changes as per depending on how the light hits it. So now I'm going to be applying my studs. I have 2 different sizes of studs. Y'all, are you guys feeling my phone case? I designed that phone case myself, actually. So yeah, I put the studs. These studs, I got them in a store where they sell fashion supplies, and then I applied the studs using my eyelash glue as well, so that way you can take it out without it hurting you. Then I'm lining my eyes using the gel liner by Beyond Beauty. This is the blackest black liner I have ever used, and believe me, I've used a lot of brands. I really enjoy this one, and it's super creamy and easy to use. So now the lashes that I'm using is by Miss Metics, another Nigerian brand as well. I love these lashes. Their designs are awesome, the texture of the lashes, and then they have a variety. They are affordable as well. Before that, I used the mascara by Maybelline to prep my lashes. So I smoked out my under eye using some blue eyeshadow from my Afrique palette by Juvia's as well. But before that, I used my blue pencil by Polar Beauty. That pencil is really pigmented and very creamy. It will be as if you're applying a gel on your eyes. So now I lined my lips using the Mabrook pencil that I use for my brows, and then the lipstick that I'm using is equally from Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, one of my favorite shades. I always find myself reaching out for this shade. It's so pretty. This is the shade 26 from Beyond Beauty. So now for my highlighter, I'm going to the same palette that I used for my blush earlier on. This is the Glitz and Glam palette. It's a Nigerian brand as well. I love it. Super pigmented, multi-purpose. I use it for blush, for highlighter, for eyeshadow, everything. So now I'm just applying some glitter tears with the glitters from the Beyond Beauty Glitter Obsession palette that I used for my base eyeshadow back then. So I'm just doing a mixture between the bronze reddish shade and blue shade for my glitters. Now I'm spraying my face with my Royal Makeup setting spray. It has like little gold pigments in it that I just love. Just give me that overall bronzy look. And this is the finished look. Like, yo, look at that.
You guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share. You giving this video a thumbs up helps YouTube recommend the video to more people. You guys, please help me, because I need my views to go back up, because I've been off YouTube. My views are dropping, so I need you guys to just give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video, drop me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video.